Creating mesmerizing and inspiring logos or images with text was a bit tricky and impossible before, but not anymore. Midjourney V6 has precisely worked to improve its text-generating capabilities within images. The process is straightforward to do, except for those occasional hiccups. But don't worry, I've got some handy tips for those too, so make sure you watch till the end. Only this skill can help you earn a passive income alone. You will not find such an efficient and easy-to-adopt method to date. Let me explain. Let's dive into our first example. Simply mention your words in quotation marks to insert text into an image. That's the whole trick. It's really that simple. Look at this Mekong Foods logo, for instance. I have typed the prompt in the natural communication way. This might be the simplest method to craft a prompt, and the Midjourney response is epic. How beautifully it reveals the logo that matches my client's business exactly. You can see how much text is accurately portrayed in the image. That's not the only case. I have played with the stylized and chaos values to get more enhanced versions. You can compare how Midjourney refines the overall quality and the style. Moreover, the probability of text accuracy is almost 90%. Next, you will learn how to control text in neon themes, so stay with us till the end. Although it is simple to do, but you never know which combination works better. I've got two key recommendations on what you should play around with: the stylized value and the style row parameter. This combo will lead your results from this to this. Neon text is one of the highly valued features in Midjourney V6. Let's check these neon Daxton studio room designs. V6 is specialized in creating spectacular visuals in neon style. Changing the aspect ratio brings more depth to the images. Personally, I like options 1 and 2 a lot. Without testing, it's hard to say which parameters are most effective, so keep trying until you find the best result. Before going towards advanced level tips, I performed a test to measure the text flexibility in V6. I wrote down a prompt to draw a beautiful front face girl with 2 side braids, and DX Studio mentioned on both cheeks where the right should be in blue and left should be in pink. And Midjourney produces some spectacular visuals, exactly what I asked him to generate. Although there are a few images that do not follow the guidelines, still overall images are really up to the mark. Some of them have DX Studio on both of the cheeks, few have on one. This image with Retina Studio on the one side and DX on the other can be ignored. Moreover, I also played with the stylized values, and this beast create exceptionally well-articulated results. Especially this with 2 identical faces is exceptionally well-articulated. I kept searching until I found the 100% exact matched results. See the sharp details. While writing a prompt, one thing you should remember. First, capitalization matters. Here's an example. A name tag that says Daxton in a robotic quantum processor font. Daxton is in uppercase, and the results reflect the prompt. Change it to lowercase, and look how amazingly it follows the guidelines accordingly. Whatever you place within quotes is replicated exactly, including capitalization and symbols. Before revealing the art of earning passive income through an AI logo, let's explore some of the logo options I have created for my clients. Look at this Bearwood Company logo. The usage of a minimalistic line art logo design approach is in trending nowadays. I have created a bunch of variations to get optimal generation. Moreover, I also created logos for my coffee shop client. Each option represents a unique taste to the business. There are a few examples that are far better compared to the rest of the others. Additionally, some other businesses' logos have been also generated, and you can see how, with the line of a prompt, you can create spectacular logos like these in a couple of minutes. Here comes the editing process. Now go to this website link in the description, upload your image to convert into a vector, choose SVG, and hit convert. Once done, download and open Adobe Illustrator or any editing software like Figma or Corel that supports scalable vector graphics. Remove the background and choose the best matched font. Your logo is ready. To make it more presentable, I advise you to make its darker version and keep them side by side in order to get enhanced appearance. Fiverr is one of the best platforms where you can earn passive income, as these sellers are doing. Look how many orders they have already done. Take this seller for instance. If you multiply his reviews with the amount, you can see he has earned more than $124,000. This other seller with 11 orders in the queue has $64,000. Or if you work consistently with more effort, you can even earn $1.5 million only by selling logos.